In the heart of a sunlit valley, a secret orchard comes alive, where fruits whisper, laugh.
Each fruit had a gift: apple for strength, banana for joy, grape for healing, and pomegranate for eternal energy.
But far away, humans had forgotten their magic, chasing flavor, not life. One day, the fruits decided they would remind humans who they really are. They rolled down the hills, laughing, glowing, spreading colors wherever they went. But as they reached the cities, they saw machines swallowing nature's light daily, turning freshness into lifeless plastic.
The fruits stood together, glowing brighter, potent, refusing to let their energy die. The ground cracked open, roots and vines erupted, reclaiming what was lost. The earth breathed again.
And the fruits whispered one truth: you are part of us.
A small child picked up an apple and for the first time felt the pulse of pure life.
Soon, every fruit shared its gift. Energy, healing, and peace returned.
We aren't just food. We are life's energy, nature's way to remind you to stay alive.